Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm here with another video. This time it's not a hijab tutorial or a turban tutorial, but more a do-it-yourself tutorial, as I also planned for my channel. And as lots of you guys asked me whether I couldn't show how I did this beautiful chain, which I also used in a hijab tutorial before, I thought why not. So in this tutorial I will show you how I created this beautiful chain, which you can use as a eye catcher, for example, for your wedding on your hijab, but also for open hair with wavy hair, for example, as an eye catcher on your wedding, but also for occasions. This is a beautiful option instead of another accessory, for example. So if you're interested in how I did this, then hold the line, guys, and see you later. Things. Well, first of all, you will need scissors. This is for cutting the wire afterwards. Then you will need a wire. Well, you can get them in every handicraft store you want to. So I bought mine in a handicraft store in Göppingen, I think in Germany. And they cost about €4 for 25 meters. And well, I chose a rosy one because my pearls are kind of rosy and sparkly, so it will fit very well. And then you will need different kinds of pearls. So here you can choose any color, any form, any kind of pearl you want to. So I took 3 different ones. The first one is rounded, it is sparkling, and it is kind of white but also clear and reflects the light. Then I chose these ones. These are more oval, they also do reflect the light. And another pearl is this rosy round one. So I just got 4 of them. Actually, in one package I have about 25 to 30 pearls, and for one chain you will need about 100 to 110 pearls. So it depends on you. If you want to have a very concentrated chain with lots of bunches, then you will need more pearls. So this one has about 110 pearls, and for each bunch you will need about 5 pearls. This one has about 110 pearls, and for each bunch you will need about 5 pearls. So we'll build up the bunches first of all, and afterwards we will fit them together with the wire and make a chain out of it. So let's get started. First of all, I will cut about 20 centimeters from this wire for each bunch. Take the wire and start with any pearl you want to. So I will start with the oval ones, and you put it just in, and then you have to twist the pearl just around itself so that it's fixed and it doesn't fall off. And it has to look like this. And then you keep on with another pearl. So I will take the smaller ones. And then you should have a distance between these 2 pearls about 5 to 7 centimeters, so that you have also wire to twist this pearl around itself. And you twist it, not too much because the wire is very, very fine, so it can get broken, and therefore you have to be careful. And I keep on with the rose one, put it in. Again, a distance between these 2 pearls should be about 5 to 7 centimeters. And then you twist it around itself, and ta-da! And we keep on. I will take again the smaller ones, just put them in, have the distance, and twist it around. Twist, twist, twist. So like this. And then the last one. So each bunch we will have 5 pearls. And you twist it so it doesn't fall off. So afterwards it will look like this. So now this is very tricky because we have to build a leaf, and therefore I like to set the pearl in the middle, just like it is, and put the right one just on it as a cross, and then the left one on the other side, and then the right one again on the left side, and the left one to the right side. So now you have to twist the ends of the pearl, of all the pearls, you have to twist them together. So you just twist them and fix it so that they are fixed and can't fall off. This is one bunch, and we have to do about 20 of these bunches to have a beautiful and pearly chain. So let's keep on. We take the next one. I like to start with the smallest pearl and twist it. And then I take the oval pearl, put it in. You should have a distance of 5 to 7 centimeters, like here, and twist it around, twist it around. And then my center is the rosy, round, pearly pearl. And I twist it, and I twist it, but not too much, because if you twist it too much, I will promise that they will break. And I take the oval one again, distance of 5 centimeters, and twist it. So the less the distance is, the less wire you will have at the end to twist. Therefore, I like to have a bigger distance in between so that I have got wire to twist them afterwards together so that they are fixed. And I have already got 4 now. The 5th and the last one. Put it just in. And a distance of 5 centimeters, and I twist it, just twist it. So now again, I have these 5 pearls like this, and then we do the crisscross again. So the right to the left to the right, again the right to the left, and the left to the right. That's a little bit tricky, but when you do the first bunches, you will get it, I promise. And twist all the ends together. So I have finished with the bunches so far. So now I have about 20 bunches from all the pearls I had, so I tried to use them all. And it doesn't matter if you have at last only 4 or 3 pearls left, you can just do a bunch of 4 or 3 pearls as well. So the last one of mine has also got only 4 pearls on the bunch, so it looks like this. And it doesn't matter if you also have just a bunch with 3 or 2 or 1 or how many pearls you have. So now we have to fit the bunches together, and therefore we take again from the same wire we use for preparing the bunches. So I start with a bunch, I take it, and then I put another bunch just like this on it, and then a third one like a crisscross on the last one. And then you just twist the ends together in order to fix all the bunches together and have a well-fixed chain. I like to use the wire again and just twist it, first of all, around the first bunch so that you have a fixed start, and then you just twist it around the bunches like a crisscross, and then you wrap it around the end of the 3 bunches. So now I have a bunch of 3 bunches, and then I put the next bunch on it. So it depends on you. You can have a bigger distance, then you will have a bigger gap between the bunches. Or if you want to have a more concentrated chain, you can just have a smaller distance and fix it like this. So I want to have a small distance, and you just wrap the wire around the end of the next bunch. And you wrap it around and fix it. So now I take another bunch and put it again like crisscross on it and wrap the wire around it so that the ends are fixed and they are tightly together. Wrap it around. So, looks like this. And then I keep on with fixing and take other bunches, put them on and wrap the ends together, twist it and wrap the wire around. So now my last one. So I put the last one as I did at the first one, like this, on the end of the last bunch. And then I wrap the ends of these two bunches together, like this. Here it is again a bit tricky, but you have to handle it. You have to look how you can fix these two bunches together. And then I like to fix it again with the wire so that it really fits and it doesn't fall off. Ta-da! That's it. I think that's doable. It's very easy if you just get used to it at the first time with the bunches, but afterwards it really fits. So the end you just twist in between so that you cannot see it. So, as I finish with the chain, I can twist the wire like I want to. So, for example, you can just put the first one a little bit higher, and then the second and the third one will stay as they are, and then the fourth one again, you just push it a little bit to the front, and then the fifth stays also again like it is already, and then the sixth one again, push it up and just keep on with the other parts as you did it for the first ones. And I like to fix it with just pins on the beginning and at the end of the chain, but you also can fix it in between. At the bunches, you just do waves with a pin and try to fix the chain. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, then give a thumbs up, leave a subscribe or share the video, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.